Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic inventor tutorial how to pattern along spline. So as example I will draw simple 3D object, draw a circle and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now you can select again in the top plane to the sketch. Now you can draw spline object by using this tool spline. Click from origin, I will move into here to the top and then into this point. Click OK and then finish cut. Now if you want to patterns along this spline object, you can use this rectangular pattern feature. You can select the object and then for direction select the spline object. You can change spacing into cube length. After it, you can change for the items. Like here, I will set into 10. If you done, you can click OK. So it will be automatically create pattern along spline. Okay, that's it for basic inventor tutorial how to pattern along spline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.